Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With Matrixport, it's effortless. Just transfer your USDT to Matrixport and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Matrixport is a comprehensive platform designed for crypto enthusiasts and investors. Upon visiting the homepage, you'll notice an intuitive layout showcasing its array of financial services. To get started, you need to create an account by entering your email, setting a password, and verifying your identity. Once logged in, navigate through the dashboard to explore investment options like fixed income products, dual currency investments, and flexible savings. Fixed income products allow you to lock in your funds for a set duration while earning a predictable return. Flexible savings provide a more fluid option, enabling you to deposit and withdraw anytime, all while earning competitive interest. In the Earn section, you will discover a wide range of assets supported for earning. Deposit stablecoins like USDT or USDC and earn up to 12% APR with daily payouts, ensuring your assets remain liquid and accessible. To deposit, go to the Wallet section, select the currency of your choice, copy the deposit address, and transfer funds from your external wallet. Matrixport also offers tools for diversifying your crypto strategy. The dual currency product enables you to earn returns while optimizing your exposure to market volatility. It's suitable for those seeking calculated risk with higher potential rewards. For enhanced security, Matrixport employs institutional-grade measures like multi-signature wallets and cold storage. Additionally, the platform provides detailed transaction records and performance insights, keeping you in control of your finances. If you're looking to expand your portfolio, explore Matrixport's marketplace for tailored investment packages. These options cater to both beginners and seasoned investors, offering high-yield opportunities. To maximize your Matrixport experience, make sure to check out their promotions for new users. By signing up through my exclusive link https://lnk.do/jkukoif, you'll unlock bonuses to kickstart your crypto journey. Don't miss out on this opportunity to grow your crypto assets effectively. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.